stomp to sleeping. Oh Lord, just one of these days. I knew they would come one day.
Oh, Railway Jesus, are you okay?
Yeah, just them damn bats again. Sorry about that. Now what can I do for you?
I need some advice.
Thanks for all advice, eh? Take a seat.
Okay.
What you on about, boy?
Well, I need some dating advice.
Trouble with the ladies, eh?
Yeah.
Well, back in '72, last time I had a woman, my pa gave me some good advice. He said, women are like Thanksgiving dinner. But I wouldn't know because I never had none. So I reckon I made out all right, you know, given the circumstances. But, as I was saying, one bird in hand is one meal and two in the bush, well, they ain't good for shit. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, it's there or it isn't. But when it is there, it is. But when it is there, you want to eat it so then it'll be gone. So it doesn't last too long. Of course, last time I had a lady, I had to pay for it.
I think I understand. Thanks, Railway Jesus.
Somebody gets me. Oh, come back again. You're my only friend.
Well, hey, Railway Jesus, you can talk now. Railway Jesus? Hey, are you okay?
Who sent you? Who sent you?
Whoa, it's
Who
me!
sent you?
It's extortious!
Don't lie to me.
Hey, it's me!
Is it the government?
No!
CIA?
Extortious!
FBI? RTF?
No!
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Alright, well, first off, I'd like some hot cakes.
Look, Railway Jesus, I need some advice.
What, you don't accept EBT?
No, I need some advice.
Oh, advice.
Well, you see, some guy keeps interfering with my vlogs, and I think he's trying to take me down. What should I do?
Vlog? What is that, like one of them lady parts?
No! That's my career, the thing I'm doing. Videos?
Oh, videos. Video killed the radio star. 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 That kind of video?
Sort of.
Alright. So you say you got a problem? Someone messing with your business?
Yeah, like, how should I take him down? What should I do?
Well, when anyone pisses me off, I normally just poop in a bag and light it on fire, throw it at them. But that normally ends me up in jail. Trust me, Elvis, you wouldn't make it in jail. Too pretty.
So you're saying I should accept his challenge? Fight him man to man?
Man to man?
Yeah.
Man to man? Man to man?
No, not you.
Who sent you? Government?
No.
Who sent you?
McDonald's.
Oh. Man, where's my order? I ordered it like 10 minutes ago.
Thanks for the advice, Railway Jesus. I gotta go though.
Next time, McDonald's.
I'll bring you some hotcakes. See ya.
Yeah. Watch out for the government.
Oh, he's sleeping.